Hi everyone, I am Kulsum Ahmed and I'm from Bashanipur and I come from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And to start off, I just want to say that Aamir Ahmer Academy is the most fantastic institution for digital marketing, and there are a lot of reasons why I said that. First of all, my journey with this academy has been nothing short of exceptional because as someone who knew nothing about digital marketing, this academy proved to be a right fit for me because all the courses it offers, from social media strategies to search engine optimization, they have been incredible and comprehensive, up to date, and super easy to grasp. And one thing that sets Amir Academy apart is its remarkable support systems, and this is also the reason why I love it because these support groups have impacted my learning journey a lot. Uh, the support system includes WhatsApp support groups and Facebook support groups, and also the live interactive Q&A sessions. So by reading all the conversations between the students and the mentors in these groups, I got to know about a lot of doubts and the solutions and the various solutions actually to these doubts. And the live interactive Q&A sessions, they're incredible because the mentors guide us personally through our doubts and challenges. The next reason is our sir's teaching style. He teaches us like our elder brother, and his expertise in digital marketing shines out in every lesson he delivers. He gives us tasks and also takes us through a lot of case studies, which have really helped me, and I got to know a lot of things. It has increased my knowledge in digital marketing. And the last reason I really love this academy and why I think it's fantastic because it's lifetime mentorship. Amir sir offers this lifetime mentorship whenever we get whenever we get stuck in life, uh, in terms of our digital marketing. He's there to help us. His mentors are there to help us. His team is there to help us. So I don't have to worry about this. So yeah, that's all I have to say, and I'm so grateful to have joined this academy.